Hello everyone, today I am practicing JavaScript chapter 4, variable names legal and illegal. In this video, I will show you how variable names work in JavaScript and the rules we need to follow. In this example 1, I am declaring multiple variables in one line, name, age and city, then printing them using console.log. In the example 2, these are some legal variable names like username, age, salary, and many more. And here are some illegal ones, for example, starting with a number, using spaces, or using reserved keywords like where. And finally, in the example 3, I have displayed the variable naming rules directly in the browser using HTML and JavaScript together. So that was my practice of chapter 4, variable names. I will continue sharing my coding journey chapter by chapter. If you are also learning JavaScript, stay connected with me and let's grow together.